finally, we are boarded papunta ng Davao. So we're just waiting a few more minutes and then we'll be off air and malapit na po tayo. So I will mag-video ulit ako pagdating natin ng Davao International Airport. So, yeah, it is international. Yeah. And I have here my sister and my cousin over there. See, oh, ang gaganda namin, di ba? Filter lang po yan. Guys, oh. Oh, gaganda, oh. See you later, guys. Oh, ngayon ka mag-ganon. Nurse Nora reporting on duty. Nandito na po tayo we're about to land in Davao. Meron pa tayong 23 minutes. Meron pa tayong 23 minutes and then we will be arriving. We will be deplaning soon. So, I'll see you guys in a few. Okay. So, stop. Descending. So, we are now descending. Pababa na po tayo. Nakikita na natin ang mga kabundukan ng Davao. And we're really excited. We're really excited, guys, to be here. So, first order of the day is to go to the Airbnb and then go around the city and look for something to eat. That's what we're going to do today. Mag-ikot-ikot lang tayo today dito sa Davao City. Kailangan malaman namin kung saan ang mga masasarap na pagkain. That's the first order of the day. Food. Food is always the first order of the day. And of course, we try to see yung mga wet markets nila para makita natin kung ano yung mga available na fruits na pwedeng makain na doon. So, yun po ang gagawin natin. Pababa na po tayo. Like, in few minutes, we will be sa airport na ng Davao International Airport. So, ayan. I'll be back and give you an update. Okay. Let's go get our luggage. Yeah, I have one. No. We're good. Saan darating yung ano natin? From here, I guess. Here, we came from Manila. Welcome to Davao International Airport. Nurse Nora reporting for duty. Mayroon akong hinahanap na amoy. Sabi nila maamoy ko daw ang amoy ng durian. Wala akong naamoy. Hintayin muna natin yung luggage natin. Pabali mo mutang patayin ni Grace mo ito pa. So, dito na po tayo sa Davao International Airport. And now this looks familiar. Ayan, oh. Oh, ito yung nakikita ko pag dumarating sina Sir Paul. Ayan. Kita na natin. Welcome kami sa Davao City. One Oasis Ecoland. Yes, ayan. I think we should, dito tayo magkita ng taxi. And then we're gonna take a taxi. And then, we're gonna take a taxi. Thank you, sir. Taking a taxi to go to our Airbnb. No. And, ngayon ko lang nalaman that Davao City is a no-smoking city. So, bawal pong manigarilyo dito. Yung mga naninigarilyo, bawal silang manigarilyo. Which is good, meaning they are prioritizing the health of the residents. Marami ang nagkakaroon ng problem with lungs because of secondhand smoking, yung pang-amoy mo lang ng usok ng sigarilyo ng iba. So, very good Davao. So, we don't know how far we are to the Airbnb that Sir Paul has booked for us. So, sa lahat ng Pugong Biyahero subscribers, here we are in Davao. And I will see the city na, of course, pag malaki natin ang city dito, where the President Duterte and Vice President Sara Duterte. So this is the birthplace of one of, presidents. Ayan. So, ang isa sa nakita ko na maganda dito sa Davao pagdating natin is that, of course, nalaman natin na what you call this? No smoking. And ang pangalawa, pag sasakay ka ng taxi sa airport, meron silang ibibigay sa iyo na card na kapag, for example, lolokohin ka ng taxi driver, is that merong complaint number there. So that's good. Ibig sabihin na try ng government na ang mga sumasakay ng taxi ay safe and hindi sila ang tawag doon, what's the term, that they would pay, hindi sila magugoyo, and it will be fair for both the driver tsaka yung passenger. Kaya isa ito sa nakita ko na agad na maganda na pamamalakad dito sa Davao City. So ngayon, nagtatanong na tayo kung saan tayo kakain kasi gutom na kami. So ibababa lang namin yung mga gamit namin and then maghahanap ng kainan. Yan. I'll be right back. Oh, ganda lang hangin. Yeah. This is our village. This is the Airbnb. This is the swimming pool. Walk faster. And that is Nurse Nora walking away from me. Today we're going to look for a karinderya where we can eat. Balbak is lumang halaman.
Yeah.
What is that?
Ibig sabihin, plant pa yan noon.
Oh my God.
No, I mean
Do you
like,
know that? Lumang halaman?
hindi siya uso na yan noon. Ibig sabihin. Han nga, di ba, nagado yung mga trending ng plant
Oh, it's
ngayon.
near. Kasi tingnan mo yan lang dinaan natin. Okay, bye
Yeah,
guys.
but it would have been nearer if that is open. Mag-explore tayo kung saan tayo kakain. Ayaw natin sa mga naglalakihang restaurant. Gusto natin yung mga local food. Gusto yun naman gusto nating tikman. Okay, let's go guys. Yung mukha pa tayo kasi maubusan na yung battery. Nakasakay tayo sa sa tricycle ng Davao. Nagpapakating tayo kung saan may masarap na kainan. Yung mga kari-karinderya, gano'n. Marami namang karinderya dito, kaya tatanungin natin ang local. That's the best. Tanungin mo. No, wag kambingan. Hindi ko kaya kung anong balbak ko.
It's the balat ng
Balat na of the
Baka.
kanabaw. Of the baka.
na pinalambot ng sobra with sabaw. And parang oxtail. Parang ganun.
So, pupunta tayo sa kinakainan ni Mamang Tricycle. At try natin. Sabi ni Sir Paul, sabi ni Sir Pugo Bihero, ipag-order daw ako. Sabi ko, wag, kasi gusto namin mag-explore. Para ano yung ihintay mo yung pagkain sa room? No, no. Dapat pumunta ka, pasyalan mo ang lugar. Para makita mo kung anong meron sila. Yun. And then after that, we go to the, ano na yung palengke kung saan bagsakan ng mga prutas. Ang dami niyang grupo.
Shanghai.
Ha?
Saka bukas.
Oo.
Meron.
Oh, yun Bangkiruhan. Bangkiruhan. So, namin bumili ng mga prutas at kumain mamaya ng prutas. Market mamaya daw sa Coastal. Dahil gutom na kami, kakain kami dito sa malapit lang sa 20 pesos a person. Ay, tingnan mo yun, oh. Oh. So, ayan. Dito kami kakain. Yan. So, we're gonna try the food. Kailangan turo-turo. Pero, of course, gusto natin yung kinakainan ng mga lokal. Yun ang puntahan natin. Kung saan kumakain ang mga lokal. Yun. Ang takot ko lang is baka hindi ako kaya ng upuan na to.
Kaya na ka.
Kung babagsak ako habang naka-live, ay naka-video, yun. Alam nyo na ang dahilan. Siya. At kami gutom na gutom. Update ko kayo, ma'am. Tao po. Dito sa Marang. Yeah. Tao po. Ano yun natin yung native na durian?
Baka nakita mo kasi. Kasi nagito yung dadakil, oh. Magkanong durian?
130 tsaka 150.
Saan ang native?
Eh, wala.
Walang
Ay,
native.
ano. Yan, ganyan, oh. Meron din siya native na native talaga.
Hindi siya native
Meron siyang
talaga.
crossbreed ba? Ano,
Ayan yung may pait-pait.
hindi siya mabait kasi
Oh, kasi di ba may mapait-pait,
Meron.
tapos matamis. So ito yung marang.
ayan,
Ito hinog na siya.
mamili talaga.
O sige nga, magbukas ka nga.
Pero mga maliit.
O sige, no problem, pagtitikman lang namin kung anong marang.
Ano yan eh? Dulok.
Hindi mabango ang marang, patanda durian. What's this? What's this? Parang honey. Oy, pure, girl, pure. Ito pure na ng honey. Look. Let's try that one.
Magkano to?
Ano yung honey? Baka natin yung uwihan. I want that.
Ito lang.
No, I want it.
Okay. Yun na, buksan yung pagbukas niya ang ano. Ayun, marami ko yung anak ko lang at tipang.
Ako yung tibayan tayo. Oh.
Ay, gano'n lang pag-open. Yung asawa ko noon, gumagamit siya ng knife eh. Hindi siya marunong.
Yan, ito. Try mo.
Okay, so let's try, let's
So,
try.
parang ano,
Alright, let's try guys.
hinog na yan?
Pwede itong kainin?
Sige, try mo.
Paano
Sana lang
kainin
hindi
yan?
ako allergy.
Ito hindi pwede kainin ito.
No,
Ito lang.
Bunga lang talaga.
I want to make sure na hindi muna ako allergic.
Ah, this is better than... Ah, okay, I like it. I can eat this.
Wow!
Yeah,
Ang
it's good.
sarap!
Yeah, it's good.
Ang sarap ng
Sige,
marang.
subok ko na din yung ano na, durian na ulit. Buksan ko. Yung,
Pwede tayo dun sa loob mo, if ever na.
Ano?
Pwede tayo sa loob.
Pwede tayo sa loob?
hindi kawawa naman ito yun, right?
No, okay lang, okay. That's fine. So, this is fine. I can eat this. I'm not allergic, not like the jackfruit. Dalangka, I'm allergic.
Yeah. It doesn't smell like durian, so it's okay.
Diba? It's milky in texture.
Ano ito? Yan ang tinipang ng marang eh. It doesn't smell like this. Why is this better?
Why did you taste it from here?
No.
Could be because it's from Davao.
Tsaka it doesn't smell nice. Yeah. Basta normal lang. Normal, di ba? Abnormal yun, yung abnormal na fruit. Sorry Talagang they eat it, ano?
Yeah. I would prefer it, no, medyo a little bit sour. Diba? May pagka-sour ba yan? I don't know.
Atis.
Yes, 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 yes.
Kung gawin mo siyang taste sa asim, parang atis.
Iinom na ako ng allergy pill. Just to be... Tararan! Ah! The smell. Alright, let's try. I don't want to try. Sige na, try mo. Good. Uy, masarap!
Ginger.
It tastes good! Don't smell it, just taste it. It's good. Right? It's so milky.
Talagang acquired taste like that.
But I have to I have to eat slowly because, you know, I want to make sure I'm not allergic to it. Kasi yung langka, allergic ako. So, I'm fine with this one. Pero this one is good. Kaya lang talaga acquired taste.
We cannot bring that to the plane niya.
No, it's not allowed. I don't think so. Para lang kasing na-overripe siya. Kasi tignan mo, black-black na, oh. Mas maganda siguro yung hindi overripe. Don't smell it. If you don't smell it, it's good.
That's why I got Coke.
Okay, let's leave
So-
this behind. Let's bring this to the hotel.
No, no, no.
What's the verdict?
Actually, I can eat it as long as I'm not allergic to it. Kaya lang ito, meron siya may pagka-bitter-bitter ng konti.
So this is the native, no?
No.
Okay.
Wala nang native daw eh. Parang hybrid.
Ano
Ah,
lang
crossbreed.
tayo talagang this is crossbreed. Wag mong amoyin. But actually, kaya yung tinikman ko sa Macau, yung sa Macau, sobrang amoy. Kaya hindi ko mailapit sa bunga ko. But this one is good. Stop smelling it. At this one has bitter taste.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Mas lang ako.
Alam mo kuya, may pait siya. May bitterness siya.
Para actually siyang custard.
See?
Pero parang
It's very creamy.
may luya. Okay, let's go.
Why you have to put this in a bag?
Mayang nori. Tell me when to stop.
Pakibag na lang ito.